Didn't stop.
Armageddon comes tomorrow, they're all gonna die. So not only is he thinking, I need to
wow, two of them.
bad association.
You know, a lot of people in the chat have
I don't
said
know
they
whether setup is
Didn't stop.
referring to a
understand both sides, so but when you don't know history, you repeat it, and I think sometimes when it comes to
You didn't stop.
It's kind of like sometimes like I'm very understood when I talk in person. I'm very understood on the phone. I don't know about that.
But I'm streeing, but I'm streeing, but I'm dumb streeing.
Very far, it is not going to be a very good conversation. But we are live, and as I mentioned, if you're watching this live right now, there's a bunch of you at
help the well-being of humanity. Any kind of
I thought you were gonna do it.
And more of a
there you go. No turn on red.
Since 1.5 years, I've been quite questioning of that, and mostly because of your shows. Mostly just been because of your very calm and rational responses. To
Exit dive. Took a while at it, but it's a dive. You didn't stop.
Were persuaded to eat upwards of 10,000 calories per day.
Jeez.
Over the next 4 to 6 months.
Left turn regret.
The remaining prisoners did.
Christian nationalism does pose an existential threat to the United States. If we're talking about valuing like the good
really
that our country, had at the outset.
That guy ran a red light, a red arrow. Nope, way up there. And nope again. Red light run.
Decades before fast food became widespread. The surprise lies, in fact, that obesity became widespread among all native North American populations.
Well, no, he was a Sicilian that lived in Australia.
He's gonna go for it.
Australia. I was like, oh,
yeah, and it's red.
Fucked up, or you can look it up as, I can actually make a change now when it matters. While these things are
no turn on red. It didn't stop either.
Just whether or not you have.
Paradise, you buy a piece of me. Oh, Jesus. Thought you were going to keep going. Well, of course, instead of waiting an extra 2 seconds at the light, you decide to cut through the parking lot.
Offended that you've missed them. But thank you so much, Alec, and we look forward to ploughing you next time you call. Take care.
Really? Dual turn failed.
Oh, God.
That he was compelled to write his famous pamphlet. Weight gain, he
really
resulted from eating too many fattening carbohydrates.
I take it you're not turning left
For
at
most
all.
of the next century.
I think all that interest turned into YouTube.
I'd never thought about.
I think you ran right through the stop sign.
And then.
Is there anything you can do? So she recuses herself, of course. But before doing so,
didn't stop.
Johnson.
For now, let's take a look at what's going on around the rest of the AC.
Red light run.
This is what they think is a core meeting point of
Didn't stop.
human nature.
Didn't stop.
Belief in a single God.
It certainly seems that way. It's like it's not by forceful.
Didn't stop again.
Line again. I'm just putting that out there.
It's Jack Delight for us.
Really?
It's Jack Delight.
So Jack, what did you have on your mind?
I'll make sure to. And you guys can go
Wow,
ahead
what
and
the
put
hell?
Nikes on me and everything, and we'll be up.
Oh, brothers, we often get relationship advice from our queens, but we never really.
I think that was red. I'm going to double check that.
Being wrong is also being vulnerable.
Yeah.
And so vulnerability is hard for a lot of people. And so, but now,
holy shit!
I don't want to carry around.
You don't see the people there?
From hurting anyone.
Is washed in tap water. I don't think that those two examples exist in the same universe.
You didn't stop.
Well, Jesus. One call at a time, no call waiting, no conferencing, no caller ID.
No stop.
Certainly no Skype or Zoom or FaceTime.
Subaru driver.
Nobody one time.
Turn from the left lane.
One time brought up.
Red light, Ron.
2001, they rebranded it as the Hallmark Channel. Unfortunately, it hasn't performed as well as expected.
I thought AC/DC was quieter than that fucking movie. It was so fucking loud, and they just beat the fuck out of each other, destroyed a whole city.
Red.
And they literally, it was like
you were behind the line. It's red.
Computer simulation. So that's the kind of conclusion. Now, how does one get to that? Well,
can you get all the way in the turn lane, please?
The first of these alternatives does not this result, and right now, the amount of compute you need would be like way more than.
No turn on, red.
And then it comes
1,000 fucking steps in before an hour just to see what happens. Spoiler alert if you want to know what happens. I'm gonna say it.
You're supposed to yield to the guy going
It ends up
straight.
just going back to 1-0. My whole body internally rotated, my shoulders being fucked up. I'm opening up, man. I can actually push myself up off.
And we touch one of our own mucous membrane, that one or a few viruses enter into us. That will not do us any harm normally, except that if one
Red light, run. Toyo turd.
really sick, and we don't necessarily treat everybody who has the flu. Though many of us now think that it's a worthwhile thing to do. So we are actually developing flu monoclonal antibodies. So if people get the flu, and particularly if they're older and so forth, we want to protect those people, even if their chance of hospitalization death may only be 1%. But
clean your windshield.
If it's like 10.
Did not stop. Runs right through the stop. Well, let's see how this gets screwed up. Move! Well, these people are not stopping. Hear sirens. Yeah, you got no turn on red. You gotta pay attention to light. Dude, there's a center turn lane. Center turn lane. You see the big void that's... Come on. The big empty void in the middle of the street. You're supposed to be in it. To turn left. Oh, that guy fishtailed up there.
Rushdie's defense, and then he chastised his fellow liberals for not doing the same, for being cowards in the shadow
The guy
of
didn't
Islamic
stop up there.
terrorism.
He didn't stop. Goes Prius. That Mitsubishi driver did not stop.
Vitamins in there. In New Zealand, they don't have pine trees, so they have the tukawa tree,
Red light,
beautiful
Ron.
tree, and they decorate.
You didn't stop.
That I am going forth to give birth and have something reside within my
That
body.
school bus did not stop.
For the same reasons, like the
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if this is Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You can't be there if we happen to be in Connecticut, but we're not. Well, this is my exit, and this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.